At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a KFC franchise can be a lucrative venture, but it involves careful planning and adherence to the company's guidelines and procedures. Here's a general overview of the steps you might take to start a KFC franchise. 1. Research and due diligence. Understand the KFC franchise model, including the initial investment, ongoing fees, and support provided by the company. Research the demand for KFC in your target location. Consider factors like population density, competition, and consumer preferences. 2. Financial preparation. Ensure you have the necessary funds to invest in the franchise. KFC requires a significant initial investment, which can vary depending on location and other factors. Secure financing if needed. This could be through personal savings, loans, or investors. 3. Contact KFC. Reach out to KFC's franchising department or visit their official website to express your interest in becoming a franchisee. Request franchise information and an application package. 4. Application process. Complete the franchise application thoroughly and accurately. Provide any required financial documentation and personal information. 5. Evaluation and approval. KFC will review your application, financials, and background to determine if you meet their criteria for franchise ownership. If approved, you'll receive a franchise agreement outlining the terms and conditions of the franchise relationship. 6. Training and support. Attend KFC's training program, which typically covers operations, marketing, and other aspects of running a KFC franchise. Take advantage of ongoing support and resources provided by KFC, including assistance with site selection, store design, and marketing. 7. Site selection and development. Work with KFC to find a suitable location for your franchise. Factors to consider include visibility, accessibility, and demographics. Develop the site according to KFC's specifications and standards. 8. Grand opening. Plan and execute a grand opening event to generate excitement and attract customers to your new KFC franchise. Implement marketing strategies to promote your franchise locally. 9. Operations and management. Hire and train staff to ensure smooth day-to-day operations. Follow KFC's operational guidelines to maintain consistency and quality. Monitor performance and make adjustments as needed to maximize profitability. 10. Compliance and reporting. Adhere to all franchisor requirements, including quality standards, branding guidelines, and reporting obligations. Stay updated on industry trends and regulations to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Remember that starting a franchise involves both financial investment and a commitment to following the franchisor's guidelines and standards. Be prepared to work hard and dedicate yourself to the success of your KFC franchise. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.